There's also a major case yesterday at the Supreme Court involving school choice yet again. Now, if you've been following us, you may think, why again did this case have to go to the Supreme Court? Wasn't this handled in 2020 in the Espinoza case out of Montana, where the Supreme Court said you can't have this kind of a division? And this case now is out of Maine. Now, Maine made a very unique argument, and Chief Justice Roberts immediately seized on it. So they were trying to distinguish themselves from Montana, saying, we have no problem giving money to your school if you're if the church runs the school, but it can't have a sectarian curriculum. You have to offer a non-sectarian curriculum. Now, where this gets even more unique is that, does that mean, okay, just don't have Bible class, but what about all the things that your worldview would then have input in? It'd be every subject. It'd be very difficult
geography,
to run a non-sectarian sectarian school. So you got to pose that universalism question, right? So if you're a universalist, you teach all religions are wonderful. Is that still too religious? And he thinks it might be. So the follow-up is that even that would not qualify as non-sectarian enough because it's too religious for Maine.
Unless you can say that you would treat a Unitarian school the same as a Christian school or an Orthodox Jewish school or a Catholic school, then I think you've got a problem of discrimination among religious groups.
So, I mean,
regardless of the religious group that is affiliated with the particular school that is at issue in the case before us.
So part of the challenge here, I think, is in part the definition of religion itself.
Okay, so right there, if they can't figure out the definition of religion, don't have a law that says you can have a religious school with a non-sectarian,
Exactly.
but then what will happen is what they want to do is so that religious schools don't even apply.
Yes.
Because then you got to have the government in your curriculum all over. And that I think is the trouble, even that Justice Breyer's talking about. If you open this door, the government can't go through and say, oh, this Muslim school is okay, the Sunni school's okay, the Shia school, maybe that's it's too Muslim there, or this was too Jewish, or this was too Christian. And even the Universalists, they're just too religious.